Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the three English central vowels, what is often referred to as mid vowels. Okay, now these set of vowels are quite difficult for the second language speaker of English because of the fact that they are mid, they are central, and there's this sort of difficulty in trying to decipher the placement of the tongue position. Okay, so but in this video, I'm going to try and make it as simple as possible for you to understand these vowels and be able to differentiate them from both the front vowels and the back vowels. So we're going to begin with vowel number 10, uh. Okay, now vowel number 10 is often described as half open, central or mid, unrounded, and lax. Half open, central, unrounded, lax. And of course, we've used the four parameters in the description of monophthongs. It's half open because of the positioning of the lower jaw, the movement of the lower jaw towards the upper part of the mouth. Now, it is central because the elevation of the tongue is within the central axis of the tongue. And it is, of course, unrounded, and it is a lax vowel. Now, we're going to look at this vowel number 10 within words, as in spelling symbols used in representing vowel number 10 in certain words. Okay, such symbols, of course, will include OO, U, OU, and O in words like hut, cup. Can I have a cup of tea? Curb, duck, bug, drugs, drums, and sun. So for us to be able to see this difference between vowel number 10 and other sounds, we have to compare. And we're going to compare vowel number 10, 6, and 4. Vowel number 10, vowel number 6, and vowel number 4. Stuck, stock, stack. Hut, hot, hat. Cut, cot, cat. Luck, lock, lack. Cup, cop, and cap. Now I believe we can perceive that vowel number 10, vowel number 6, and vowel number 4 are quite different. Okay, now going forward, this brings us to vowel number 11. It's often said that vowel number 11 is the long form or is the brother of vowel number 10. But of course, there are differences. Okay, so we're going to describe vowel number 11 using our four parameters. It's described as half open, central or mid, unrounded, and this time tense. Half open, central, unrounded, and tense. So once again, we're going to look at a few spelling symbols. O-U-R, E-A-R, E-R, O-R, U-R, and I-R. Now, these symbols will help you in being able to identify this sound in certain words. Okay, so we have this sound in words like bird. I saw a bird in the sky. Then we have church, dirt, surf, girl, pearl, herd, and worm. Okay, so it's just the long form of vowel number 10. And I want you to also note that since this is British English, you are not expected to pronounce the role in this sound, in these words. Okay, so other words will include learn, like I love to learn, burn, hurt, don't hurt me, world, nerd, and jerk. He's a jerk. He's a nerd. Now, these are examples of words that have vowel number 11. Now, we're going to compare again such that we can also see the difference between vowel number 3 and vowel number 11. End, earned, yen, yearn, best, burst, edge, urge, debt, dirt, nest, nursed. Okay, so I believe we can hear the distinction between vowel number 3 and vowel number 11. Now we're going to also compare vowel number 7, which is the long or sound, and vowel number 11. Ward, word, born, burn, cord, curd, torn, turn, warm, and worm. Okay, so we can see the difference between vowel number 7 and vowel number 11. Now, finally, we're going to compare vowel number 10 and vowel number 11, the two central vowels that we've looked at so far. Okay, so we have curb, curb, search, search, shut, shirt, hub, herb, fun, and fern. Okay, now I believe by now you should be able to see the difference between vowel number 10, vowel number 11, and some other vowels back and front that we have compared this vowel number 11 with. Now, before we move over to the last central vowel, we want to finally compare vowel number 5, R, and vowel number 11, parch, perch, hard, herd, cart, curt, barn, and burn. Okay, so now we're going to look at vowel number 12. Now, this vowel is the weakest of all vowels, hence it is often described as the neutral vowel. The schwa, vowel number 12, is called the schwa. Now, vowel number 12 is often found having several spelling symbols because it occurs in unstressed syllables. Okay, so for us to be able to perceive it, we're going to locate it in several unstressed syllables. But before we do that, we want to quickly describe it using the 4 parameters for the description of English monophthongs. Now, this sound is often described as half open, neutral, unrounded, and lax. Half open, neutral, unrounded, and lax. Okay, so we want to see how it is pronounced in certain unstressed syllables. Okay, like I said, it is not usually represented by any spelling symbol because it occurs in unstressed syllables. Okay, so it is represented by a number of letters, okay, ranging from A to ER, U, OUR, OU, O, AR, OUGH, and a whole lot of spelling symbols. But we have them in words like color, picture, Africa, sailor, and chauffeur. Now we also have them in some words like famous, kingdom, obey, allow, approve, contain, ignorant, dinner, and hindered. Okay, now, like I said, there are a whole lot of spelling symbols, or rather, a lot of spelling symbols are used to represent the schwa sound because it is a weak vowel and it occurs in unstressed syllables. Now we have come to the end of this video and we have been able to look at vowel number 10, vowel number 11, and vowel number 12. Now, in our next video, we're going to look at the English diphthongs. Thank you for watching. Now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again.